Hey everyone, today I found Spider-Man's bike. Let's go check it out. Whoa, it's actually Spider-Man and his bike. Man, what a lucky find. Let's go help him out. I've never seen Spider-Man's boots in real life before. I gotta do something to get his attention. Hey buddy, I'm a huge fan, you're so cool. Drop a like if you love Spider-Man. More weird shoes over here. Alright, sure, why not? Spider-Man, here are your boots. Put them on. Wait, who's this now? Guys, are you seeing this too? Or am I seeing double? I get it. Two Spider-Men from different universes. Let them sort it out. Oh, this is Green Goblin's razor bat. Super sharp too. What's with all these weird shoes? You guys collecting the world's strangest footwear or something? Whoa, no way! I was so scared of this guy as a kid. Still creepy, honestly. Who's your favorite villain? Let me know in the comments. Man, there's not going to be anything left of these two soon. We need to come up with something to bring them together. Any ideas? Alright, there's something else interesting here. Look, Green Goblin's massive glider. I wonder if it flies as high as it does in the movie? Spider-Man's bike is so bright and cool. But look, everything's broken here. Tons of parts out of place. Gotta fix this up. Look, the engine cover is completely off. Gotta put that back on. Alright, I've got an idea for how to make them get along. We fix this bike together. But first, we gotta break up this fight. Phew, I thought this was never gonna happen. Oh, Spider-Man, you know your stuff? Awesome, let's fix this up together, way faster now. Alright, we need to put the engine cover back on here. How are you guys even riding this thing for it to pop off? Alright, doesn't matter, not the worst problem we've got. Great work, guys. All right. Now we need to install this spark plug. I think you Spidermen couldn't fix the bike yourselves. That's why you were fighting. We'll get this all sorted and you two can ride off together. Yep, another thing missing, the air filter. Not a problem either, we'll get it installed real quick. Alright, what about the fuel? Let's check. Ah, Spider-Man, you're gonna choke on fumes in a second. Told you, not much fuel left. Let's share some of mine. I always carry extra with me. Guys, let me know. What's your favorite Spider-Man movie? I love them all. I'm actually going to see the new one soon. Alright, Spider-Man, all set. Go check out the bike. Awesome, everything's working. Alright, you two are free to get back to your superhero business. Go on, guys, you're awesome. Bye-bye, safe travels. Let's see where our superheroes are headed. Alright everyone, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video about fixing up more awesome vehicles. Drop a like if you enjoyed this one. Bye everyone.